Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Smile at me. Smile at me. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. I want to dance with you. I want to dance with you. Come sit next to me. Come sit next to me. You are my comfort. You are my comfort. You are my life partner. You are my life partner. I like holding your hand. I like holding your hand. I lift the weights slowly. I lift the weights slowly. I bend my knees carefully. I bend my knees carefully. I stretch my arms before training. I stretch my arms before training. I push the bar upward. I push the bar upward. I pull the handle toward me. I pull the handle toward me. I jump in place lightly. I jump in place lightly. I squat with proper form. I squat with proper form. I run on the treadmill. I run on the treadmill.
Come here and give me a hug, sweetie. You're growing up so fast. Oh.
Let me fix your hair before you go.
Have you eaten enough today? Would you like some cookies? Would you like some cookies? Wash your hands before dinner. You look beautiful today. You look beautiful today. Let's bake something together. Let's bake something together. Let's bake something together. Let's bake something together. Be careful when you play outside.